Good morning, good morning. I'm up waiting for Ruby to arrive. It is not as sunny as I had hoped. In fact, it's not sunny at all. I just hope it doesn't rain. Oh God, hang now. Ow. Yeah, I just hope it doesn't rain. So, we'll get the boys up in a second. They start school in a few days and they're still on holiday mode. So I'm trying to get them into bed a bit earlier and try and get them up. So I'll make them a cup of tea, that'll help wake them up. Yeah, so we're just waiting on Ruby to come. And then Forest School at 10. We'll have a bit of a lazy morning to start, I think. I'm going to do some reading. She'll probably have her tablet with her, so she'll probably just chillax for a little bit. And I think we'll play some games when we get back later. My new Settlers has arrived, which the boys might play with me. And then Ruby can be working with me on my team. Get her started young. Might be able to captivate her, catch her interest. That's it for today. Really? Oh, let's feed the fish. Fishy fishes. Got loads of babies in my tank at the moment. Look, I've realised it's breakfast time. Hello fishes. Let's see all the babies around here. Lots of babies. Right. Whoop, let's just turn you around for a second. There we go. Lots of fishes. Lots of fish. Lots and lots. You have to have a look at Toothless. He is in the silliest of positions. I need to get him some fresh water. Can't tell me that's comfortable. It does not look comfortable to me. Let's redo his water. Because his tank's so hot. His water dries up really quickly. Oh, right, I'm going to have a tea. I only need 2 more.
2 more? No,
2 more.
5 more.
You roll. What's that?
It's that and that.
That and that and that and that. Oh, got there before me. It's hard to see through the camera because it when I go to put my finger on something slightly out of where I think it is. You get to roll again. Oh. Okay, I need 1 more.
I just need to like sit.
Yeah. Push your chair back a bit, might be a bit easier, and then go on your knees.
Just in case I want to grab something.
Ready, steady? Or what, from my pile?
Yeah.
I won that one. I have 6.
You've got 3.
Oh, we play again. You go first because you've got smaller paws than me. The smallest paw always goes first. Where is it? That was a tricky one.
Get the first one.
I don't know. Why do I always get the first one? Oh, you got that one. Could be a J, yeah.
Could be an R.
A little lowercase. We'll put that at the end. Right, go on then.
3.
Whoa, it's wobbling.
Yeah. It went for the.
It's wobbling. That's
Well,
so
it worked.
satisfying.
It worked.
It did. Remember to lean it if it's slightly tricky. What did you get?
Nothing because it bounced off.
Oh, what did it hit?
That's it.
6.
It bounced off because
Well, the suckers might not be very sucky anymore. That was a good shot. Right, there you go.
What do I do?
It's already recording. Move back a bit.
What?
Okay. Arrow fell off. Ready? 7 points. Let's see if I get higher than 7. I got 10. That was awesome. I got 10.
Your head got cut off. Still not.
Well, you need to move back then. You're chopping my head off.
Well, there's not much to move backwards.
Right, ready? Straight over the top. Aim is not very good. I'm going to need some more of these bows at the ends. No, I didn't even point on that one.
Well, here you go now. I am not good at filming.
Thanks, not good
Being
at
a
filming.
monster.
He's being lazy.
No, he's being a rock.
I didn't get any sleep because of Daddy and Brendan snoring in the toilet.
Oh, and the toilet shouting. That's why I didn't flush it last night. We need to get it fixed. Because it growls at you.
Brendan was snoring a bit.
Brendan snored.
Daddy was snoring last night as well.
Snoring a
2:30, I was woken up by you going to the toilet and the toilet growling.
lot. I was still awake at 2:30.
And Daddy snoring.
Brendan?
I know what Brendan was doing. He was awake, so I went to check on him.
At 5, of course.
Did
That's
you?
When Brendan stopped snoring.
You can have an early night tonight then if you went to bed at 5. Kenzie needs a cuddle. Don't you? Needs a cuddle. With his mummy. Under his little fluffy blanket. Gonna miss me when you go to school. You can't just come and hug me whenever you like. Yeah. I'll miss you. I'll miss you.
Yeah, your tablet doesn't have any kind of battery.
No, it doesn't.
Terrible.
Just doze off. Oh, good. She's gonna sleep. She's gonna sleep. Good night. Good night. You sound like Daddy. Yeah, he was definitely snoring last night. We're having a sleep, Rubes.
Oh, wait for me.
Coming in
I'm
too.
tired.
Hold on. Ruby too. We're gonna have a little snooze together.
I hate the body.
I can only see one eye.
Where are the arrows? Oh, there
They're on the chair.
There's an eye.
Well, Kenzie's got a dot on his eye.
Got a dot on his eye. What? It's an eyeball. I
Yeah.
have just one eye.
One eye.
Kenzie, you do realise Mummy's away this weekend, don't you?
With Anna.
Yeah.
Why?
Because I am going to Glastonbury to drink the water from the Glastonbury well for eternal youth,
That doesn't
beauty,
sound very nice.
and health and longevity.
I maybe drunk from that.
I know.
Or someone spit in it.
Maybe their spit is the secret to eternal youth, beauty, and longevity. That's a big word for a Tuesday, isn't it? Longevity. Do you know what it means, Rubes?
No.
It's sort of long term, long life, long.
Long.
Oh.
La 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 la. Let's go see Brendan do his archery.
Well, there's
Still
Kenzie.
having cuddles.
There's Pippa. And there's me.
Yeah. Being lazy butts, aren't we?
Mm-hmm.
What's a little ear?
No! No!
Willy!
No!
Oh, not in my ear. Wet Willy! Kenzie's hiding because he knows I'll do that to him. I got ya.
No!
She's got a soggy earlobe. That's good. I need my ears cleaning.
Ew.
Nice. Lick it.
No.
Lick it. Go on, eat the wax. Eat it.
No!
I've got a sore tongue. Oh, Kenzie, that was sneaky. Oh.
There's a little hole. I found the little hole. I'm inside.
It might be up his nose.
Ugh. Nobody wants to go up his nose.
No. Oh, snuggled with my girlies and my boys. It's like a mummy, look.
No, it's a monster.
It's a monster, isn't it?
No, it's a rock.
A rock.
But with a hand.
Boo!
Draw weight
Is nothing because it's for little people. You obviously need something bigger because you're bigger. You could take a archery.
I'd love to. You could buy boats off of Amazon. They
But
had a sale on a really good one, 50 quid ages ago, but I'm pretty sure that sale's probably over now. Matty does archery.
Yeah. Is there a local club that he goes to?
No idea. Probably.
Could you explain
Thank you,
to
Squire.
my viewers why you have a big white
Oh yeah.
blob on your head?
It's toothpaste.
My forehead had like a really annoying raised sore lump thing.
And you put toothpaste
You mean a
on
spot?
it. You put toothpaste on it.
You did. It dries up spots.
Ugh.
Oh, that's not gone right. Thank you. Just aim.
Just don't shoot, Ruby.
Aim for the child.
I got a 10, Brendan, when I shot.
How many times did it take?
3? No, 2. I didn't get it again after that, though. She's good as an arrow girl, this one. I have a parcel. I know what's in it. Oops. I know what's in it. It's my new game. I love how they put huge, great big boxes for small items. Really not great for trees, is it? Ta-da! Settlers of Catan. That is what we are going to play this afternoon. Yes, for kindling.
Perfect. I really don't have to be perfect with this.
No.
That's not a knife. This is a knife.
What film's that from, mister?
What's
Crikey!
Why
It
is
could
that
attack
confession?
at any moment.
Why is
You
that
need to see that
confession?
film. Oh, because
Pretty sure it's Crocodile Dundee.
it is Crocodile Dundee.
I got it from Laser Beam.
Oh, right, no, Crocodile Dundee's an awesome film. We need to get hold of that.
Why is that?
Why is there confetti? The confetti is from a party at the weekend. Rudy's birthday party.
Who?
Rudy.
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 Who's Rudy?
Little boy that comes to forest school. Right, I'm going to go and get the teas and coffees.
Crikey.
Sorry.
I'm waiting for my friends.
Oh God, they are just so honest.
Go and head, Ruby. Get the wood over and a bit.
What does that mean?
So we decided that Brendan, Annabelle and Ruby will definitely be the first to be served
For their hard work.
for their hard work.
I think that sounds fair. That there is a lot of blackberries.
How many?
I don't know. I didn't count. Lots. How many do you think we picked?
Lots.
Lots.
Can I say a picture?
You want to see what I'm filming? Look, I'm filming the blackberry bushes, and there's sloes as well. Can you see the slowberries? These are the ones there. Look, can you see slowberries there?
Yeah.
Yep.
There's lots of blackberries.
There are still lots of blackberries. There's still lots to change as well, isn't there? There's still lots that aren't ripe yet.
Mum, Pippa.
Yes.
Can get that other big one up there,
Yep. What'd you say?
please?
Okay, I can do that for you. Yep.
We do another thing.
We're having fun together, aren't we?
We do another thing.
Yum, 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 yum. Is that good? Oh my goodness. What have you put on that?
Honey. Honey.
Honey. He's a pillow, is he?
I am pretty chunky.
Jasper barely saw him though.
It's been a while
because
I get
see here.
have about 6 or 8 projects.
Oh, okay.
at any one time. At the minute
Aww.
I'm making me 2 blankets, I'm making my mum 1 blanket, I'm making Josh a jellyfish.
I'm not surprised he's been running around with you on his shoulders. Thank you, Brendan.
Chips.
Chippy chip chips with the shallow fried fries.
It's fried.
Shallow fried fries. We need some kitchen roll to put them on a plate.
And then we're going to eat them.
Keep passing these mice backwards and forwards, don't we? One in the food bowl and take one out of the food bowl.
So you just, not done anything.
Yeah. 2 mice to me.
Poor my now.
4 mice.
I got only 4 left.
Okay. Oh yeah, you get your 2 mice back.
Thank you very much. I love my 2 mice.
1 in the food bowl. The cat's asleep for the other one.
Salty.
1 for you. Oh, there you go.
Thank you. I need my mice.
1 in the food bowl, 1 to me.
I've got
Thank
4
you.
left again.
Got 4 left. Oh, cat's asleep. Brilliant, nothing happens. 1 to me. Oh, Ruby. What is happening to your mice?
3 left.
Oh, I've got to take 1 out and I've got to give you 1. So there you go.
Thank you.
You'll go.
4 again.
2 in the food bowl. Right. Okay, so this broke last night and I gaffer taped it. I need to replace this whole thing because this has snapped off and taken the screwy on bit with it. I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm doing. So 9.5 inch or 8.5 inch. Well, not entirely sure. Where do you measure it from? Where do you measure it from? The thing is, I sellotaped it up now as well. Well, that's 8.5. How far does it go? It goes all the way up to there, doesn't it? So maybe that's... Is that then classed as a 9 inch? 9.5 inch? I don't know. I'm going for a new look, and I thought I'd go for this. I'm going to call it just got out of the shower look. I think I could start a new trend, if I'm honest. I mean, no one else has this look. I think I could get away with it. What do you think? Can I pull it off? I mean, shall I do the posy thing? Or whatever it is I do? Trout pout? What do you think? Yeah. I reckon it could work. I reckon I could really pull this look off. Yeah. Okay. So my day is done. I am just going to have a cup of tea, which is how I rock and roll it. I have already had a doze. So I'm feeling very sleepy. My hair's gone a bit shooby because I've been asleep on it. But yeah, I'm tired. Very, very tired. Oh. Okay. Use you as a mirror. It's all fluffy, fluffy. Right, so yeah, cup of tea, get this video up, and then I think I need an early night. Kids back to school tomorrow, except for my boys. They've got another day. Still no bus pass. I'm not going to get stressed. We still have another day. It might turn up. Probably won't. My mum is ready to have him on Thursday morning and Thursday afternoon. If it doesn't turn up. So yeah, Lee will take him in the morning. Just makes the day longer for Brendan. Yeah, it's been a good day. I've had a good time. I've enjoyed myself. Lots of fun with the kids. Didn't get the toilet fixed. Lee stopped at the plumbing supplies on his way home from work. They had everything except for the ball cock. Kind of a vital part, really, as that stops the water coming in. So we're still using my gaffer taped budget job. No, army gaffer tape or whatever it was not a fashion statement. It was just what we had to hand. Goodness, I'm so staticky today. It's because I've just done my hair. Yeah, so that's not been fixed. Oh, let me just show you something from my lovely friend who is the owner of the company. How can I actually forget what the company is called? I mean, she's like been running it for absolute years. Little Signers Club. God, my brain just went completely. So this is my friend's book. This is the third in the series. This is hot off the press, only came out today. It's really good, goes through all the signs, some info about signing with children. Charlie is going to love this book. It's all about train and transport, so I'm looking forward to using this on Thursday with him and teaching him a few new signs as well, which would be brilliant. And they are award winning. So Teach Early Years Awards, so they found out today that they have won the award out of 400 people or 400 companies or toys or educational resources, I think is what it was. They've come first, which is brilliant because she's put an awful lot of work into this company over the years. She home eds her kids, she works from home, she's a very busy woman, so she runs this company, has 3 children that she home eds, and she has a husband or partner who works in agriculture. So this time of year he's never around because he's fixing tractors and combines and all that jazz. So well deserved, absolutely well deserved. But I will be running a review and a competition. So for any of you with children or childminders out there, you'll have to wait until mid-September. I want to say the 18th, she did tell me. Mid-September for the opportunity to win a rhyme and sign adventure out of my window. So yes, look out for this. Well worth getting when it's released. Okay, I'm going to put this to bed now and then put myself to bed. I'll see you lovely people in the morning when I'm slightly less staticky, I hope. I wonder if, oh, that's not going to work with that, is it? Anyway, I'll see you all tomorrow. Doesn't want to turn off.